Till now, we have discussed various basic terminologies which are required to start coding, and I hope by the end of last video you got an idea of which programming language to choose in order to start learning to code. If you didn't watch my previous video, I'll mention the link in the description as well as in the I button, so do check it out. After getting familiarized with which programming language to choose, the question is, where should we write our code in order to convert it into machine code? So here are the two best options, that is IDEs and text editors, to make our work much easier. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. It is a one place environment where we can do all our works. We can write our code, debug our code, which we'll discuss about debugging in next videos. We can translate our code. It is used to convert the code into machine language, that is zeros and ones. It is even used to execute our code in order to get the output. It also makes documentation of our code. As you can see in the example over here, just ignore the meaning of this example which I'm typing, but just concentrate on how the prompts are being shown in order to make our work much easier. IDEs has this multiple kinds of features in order to increase our speed of coding and to make our work much faster. It provides different kinds of prompts or hints in order to finish the line of coding easier and faster. It takes huge amount of memory whenever we download an IDE, but it's worth it. When we want to code a large amount of projects, IDE is the best choice. Next we have text editor. Text editor consumes less memory, but it is similar to notepad or a text document or text file which we have in our computers, laptops, or anything. And text editors are just used to type our text. It doesn't provide any enhanced features or functionalities just like IDEs does, but it is used to convert or translate our code into machine code without providing any extra prompts or hints. As you can see in the above example, text editors are only used to show the prompts or hints about the errors in the code which we are writing in some of the text editors. But in most of or majority of the text editors, they don't even show this kind of prompts of errors when we type something wrong. So this is the thing which makes text editor different from IDEs. Here comes the question, we have IDEs and text editors, but which one to use in order to start writing our code? I must say, if you are a beginner and don't have prior experience with coding, then text editor is for you because it is beginner friendly and helps you enhance your skills and understand the structure of code by making it written by yourself. If you have some prior knowledge of code, then IDE is for you. It is used to build vast amounts of projects. Since it gives prompts and hints, it is not advisable for the beginners to use IDEs. I have made a detailed video on top 5 best IDEs to use. I'll mention the link in the description as well as I button, so do check it out. With this, we have done with all the basic terminologies of coding. In upcoming sessions, I'm going to start a new crash course from basic to advanced level of programming of any particular programming language, and we'll be solving various kinds of questions in order to get familiarized and get in-depth knowledge of that particular language. And we'll also do data structures and algorithms along the way with programming language, and we'll even get into competitive coding as well, so stay tuned.